Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Julie, third for flash, take off from me. Get out of the car! Hey, out of the car! Out of the car!
I'm coming.
Put it in park.
I am. I'm coming.
Delayed compliance is a tactical red flag. At this moment, the officer must evaluate the risk of every movement inside that vehicle.
Put in park, step out.
I will. Just a second, please.
Stop reaching.
Hidden hands equal hidden weapons. This is about survival, not just an arrest.
I'm not.
Stop reaching. Get out of the
Please stop
car.
grabbing me. I'm scared.
Okay, get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back.
Please. I need to tell my partner.
Stop. No, put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. You're going to get tased. Do you want to get tased?
No, you don't need to do that. I'll
Okay,
listen.
no, you're not listening. Put your hands behind your back and keep them there.
I will listen. Please don't put cuffs on me. Please don't put cuffs
Stop.
on me. Sir, please.
Stop.
The car's on and
I know it is. Julia 30 Flagler, female detained.
are you gonna take me somewhere?
Taylor, you have a warrant for your arrest.
What do you mean?
You have a warrant for your arrest out of Vermont.
A felony warrant is an absolute order to arrest. There is no negotiation and no walking away once the system confirms the hit.
So you have to take me somewhere?
Yeah. As soon as they confirm the warrant, you're going to be taken somewhere. Yeah, you got to go to jail.
Why?
Why? Because you got a warrant out of Vermont. Simple. Now you're going for escape.
Oh, please. I'm just scared. Ow, my wrist, my wrist.
Okay, then you shouldn't have ran.
I'm sorry, I'm scared. Ow, ow, ow.
She just took off on me.
I'm sorry, I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
You another charge?
Yep.
I'm pregnant and I'm scared.
Okay, well now you just got more charges. All your warrants.
I'm just pregnant and scared. I'm sorry. None.
Mentioning the pregnancy after an escape attempt is a desperate plea for leniency. It is a shield used when all other exits are blocked.
For 6 months, sorry.
6 months pregnant? Did she fall or anything?
Huh?
Did she fall or anything like that?
No.
I'm sorry. I'm just scared.
Why'd you run? You're 7 months pregnant and you're
I know,
running from the police?
I'm just so scared. I'm sorry.
Running from the police while being 7 months pregnant is more than just a bad decision. It is a reckless gamble with 2 lives. Taylor Crowningshield turned a simple warrant into a felony escape charge that will now haunt her legal record for years. This outcome serves as a grim reminder that in Flagler County, the law remains firm regardless of the excuses provided at the scene. It also raises a serious debate about safety and accountability. Do you think the deputies acted with the right amount of force given the circumstances? Or was there a better way to handle a pregnant fugitive? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you find these deep dives into Bodycam footage valuable, please consider subscribing to the channel to support our work. Thank you for choosing Blue Line Raw. Stay safe and have a wonderful day.